Rajesh, I heard of this quote famously coined by Warren Buffett. Be fearful when people is greedy. Be greedy when people is fearful. This question I want to ask in specific in regards to real estate and investment. Do you agree with this quote and why?
Absolutely, I agree with this quote, Daniel. The world has today witnessed that the only asset class which has protected the whole world is the real estate asset class. You cannot wear the share certificates around you like jewelry because they are pieces of paper, and today it is not even paper, it is a demat account, it's just a digital number. You cannot wear your jewelry when you're landlocked and house locked for the last 40-50 days. You cannot enjoy wearing that jewelry, you can't eat the jewelry, but you were absolutely comfortable in the house that protected you for this entire 50 days period of the lockdown. People have realized, and the world has realized, that the most expensive and the most valuable asset in the world is real estate, and the appreciation of the real estate and the comforts of the real estate are both going to be enjoyed by the people who believe in them and work on them. In India, fortunately for India, since the population is 1.3 billion people, it's a huge market. And now with the investments of the infrastructure sector in the country, like for example, the honorable minister is going to be investing around $200 billion in the next 2 years for the infrastructure development. And the government consciously within the country and across the world are now working towards decentralizing people from the urban areas to the outskirts of every metro city. And the concept in India that is being worked on today is not only about smart cities and urban cities, but also smart villages. So the wealth has to get distributed and it needs to reach the villages for the economy to boom back again, which means the outskirts of every metro city is going to be in great demand. And real estate is one investment which has protected people for centuries together. Like, for example, the properties that your parents bought and my parents bought, they would have bought it at, for example, say $10,000, and today they are probably $10 million. So this kind of earning cannot be happening by working in a business or in a job. This kind of earnings can happen only when the appreciation of a real estate asset takes place. At the same time, a real estate asset also earns money and gives you in the form of either rentals or loan against property when the value appreciates. So I think real estate has really proved itself once again that this is one asset which will protect the family in terms of financial needs and take care of the next few years of your life, also the next generation of your life. That's my take on real estate, Daniel.
Amazing.